Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make backup of your website in Joomla. So if you want to do it, first we need to install a special extension. So we need to go to System Settings, and after that we need to go to Extensions. It is very important to select this one option because now we can install the extension from the web. We need to select this one tab to do it. And now I recommend you to type on the search field something like Akeba. Then we need to click search button and we need to open here Akeba backup extension. Then we need to click install button and we need to click here on install. After a moment, extension should be successfully installed on your website. So now we can go to components and we can go to Akeba backup for Joomla. Now we go to control panel. We need to close this window and click on basic operations on backup now. If you want, you can click on configuration wizard here, then environment will be checked. It may take some time. After that, we can go back to control panel and we can click backup now again. Now we can insert here a short description and insert backup comment if you want, for example, simple comment. And now I click backup now button to start a backup process. And after a moment, the process will be started in. You should see here the progress of this process, and after a moment it should be successfully finished. So let's wait a few seconds more. The time depends on the number of files and size of the files that you have on your website. And how you see, our backup has been successfully completed. So now you can click on Manage Backups button. And here I close this window. And how you see, backup is ready to use. I recommend you to download this backup on your computer because maybe one day you will need this backup. So I click download button and I click download button again. And after a moment, this backup should be successfully downloaded to our computer. Of course, it may take some time. And how you see, backup has been successfully downloaded. So how you see, it really works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.